For years, the James Webb Space Telescope has represented the peak of human vision in space. With its massive 6.5-meter mirror, powerful infrared instruments, and ability to look back toward the earliest galaxies in cosmic history, Webb transformed the way we see the universe. It revealed galaxies that existed only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, studied the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, and uncovered details hidden behind cosmic dust. But now, NASA is preparing a different kind of observatory, one designed not to replace Webb but to answer questions Webb was never built to solve. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is not focused on looking at one object in extreme detail. Instead, it is designed to survey enormous regions of the sky, creating a giant cosmic map that could reveal how the universe is structured on the largest scales. While Webb acts like a powerful microscope, Roman will act more like a wide-angle camera for the cosmos, observing billions of stars and galaxies at once. This difference is what makes Roman so important. The biggest mysteries in modern astronomy cannot be solved by studying only individual objects. To understand the hidden architecture of the universe, scientists need enormous amounts of data, huge surveys, and patterns spread across billions of light years. Roman is built for exactly that mission, and when it begins its survey, it could transform astronomy from a science of individual discoveries into a science of cosmic patterns. The most important target of Roman's mission is something we cannot directly see: the invisible universe. Everything we know, every star, planet, galaxy, and cloud of gas, represents only a small fraction of the cosmos. Ordinary matter makes up roughly 5% of the universe, while the remaining majority is believed to consist of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter does not produce light, but scientists know it exists because its gravity affects galaxies. Stars and galaxies rotate faster than they should if only visible matter were present. Something unseen appears to provide additional gravitational force, holding galaxies together. Dark energy is even more mysterious. Observations show that the expansion of the universe is accelerating, as if a hidden force is pushing space apart over time. We know the effects of these invisible components, but their true nature remains unknown. This is where Roman becomes revolutionary. Instead of trying to directly observe dark matter or dark energy, it will study how they influence everything around them. One of Roman's most powerful tools will be gravitational lensing, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. Massive objects bend the fabric of spacetime, causing light from distant galaxies behind them to appear slightly distorted. By measuring these tiny changes in billions of galaxies, Roman will create one of the most detailed maps ever made of the universe's hidden structure. Scientists hope this map will reveal how dark matter is distributed and whether our current understanding of cosmic evolution is complete. Roman will also investigate one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology: the history of the universe's expansion. By observing distant supernovae and studying the arrangement of galaxies across space, the telescope will examine how the expansion rate has changed over billions of years. Scientists want to know whether dark energy is truly constant or whether it changes over time. If Roman finds unexpected patterns, it could force researchers to rethink some of the most fundamental ideas about the universe. The mission will also have another major goal: finding new worlds beyond our solar system. Unlike telescopes that primarily search for planets passing in front of their stars, Roman will use a technique called gravitational microlensing. This method allows astronomers to detect planets that are much farther from their stars, including worlds similar to the outer planets of our own solar system. Roman is expected to discover thousands of exoplanets, giving scientists a much clearer picture of how common different types of planetary systems are throughout the galaxy. It may reveal frozen worlds, wandering planets without stars, and planetary arrangements unlike anything we have seen before. But perhaps the most exciting possibility is that Roman could discover something completely unexpected. Throughout history, every major telescope has found objects and phenomena that scientists were not specifically searching for. Hubble revealed unexpected galaxies and mysterious cosmic structures. Webb has already uncovered surprises in the early universe. Roman will likely continue this tradition because whenever humanity observes the universe with greater scale and precision, nature always seems to have something new waiting. The true power of Roman will come from its partnership with the James Webb Space Telescope. These two observatories are not competitors. They are designed to work together. Webb provides extraordinary detail by studying individual targets with incredible sensitivity. Roman provides the larger picture by scanning huge areas of the sky and identifying where important events are happening. Imagine Roman as a cosmic surveyor mapping an entire continent, while Webb acts as the explorer traveling to specific locations to examine them in detail. Roman may discover unusual galaxies, strange gravitational lensing events, rare supernova explosions, or unusual planetary systems. Then Webb can focus on those discoveries and analyze their atmospheres, structures, and chemical compositions. Together, they create a powerful combination that no single telescope could achieve alone. This partnership represents a new era of astronomy where scientists can connect small-scale details with the largest structures in the universe. Instead of only asking what one galaxy looks like, researchers can begin understanding how billions of galaxies interact, evolve, and fit into the cosmic web. Instead of only finding planets, they can begin understanding how planetary systems form across the galaxy. Roman will help humanity move from observing isolated pieces of the universe to understanding the universe as a connected system. When the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope begins its mission, its greatest discoveries may not simply be the images it produces, but the questions those images create. This telescope is designed to investigate the invisible forces that shape reality, from dark matter holding galaxies together to dark energy influencing the future expansion of the cosmos. It will observe billions of galaxies, millions of stars, and thousands of planetary systems, creating a view of the universe on a scale never attempted before. Webb showed humanity the incredible detail hidden in distant cosmic objects. Roman will show us how those objects are connected and how the universe operates as a whole. The most exciting possibility is that Roman may reveal something beyond our current understanding, a discovery that forces scientists to rewrite parts of physics just as previous generations experienced with earlier telescopes. The universe has repeatedly shown us that every time we build better instruments, we discover that reality is stranger, more complex, and more fascinating than we imagined. Roman will not simply expand our view of space. It may change our understanding of what the universe is made of, how it evolved, and what mysteries are still waiting to be uncovered. The next great revolution in astronomy may not come from seeing farther than ever before. It may come from finally seeing the hidden patterns that have been surrounding us all along.